the artificial intelligence related the new product processes or any applications whatever are coming, some control mechanism should be there, and update is like that. Yes, in European Union already that, or WIPO have already have the regulatory document which is created, and you can go for the details, you can just go into the details of that. Next, in the week 5 you can just say we have gone into the details about a patent. And yes, this is like a little bit like lengthy, we can say, the week with the 6 modules in this, and here we have focused on the first what is exactly patent infringement is, then we have talked about the rights of patentee and co-patentee. Unless you know rights, you are not able to do the enforcement of that. So, we have understood that. Then we have gone into the administrative ways for enforcement. In the 4th module, we have focused on the judicial ways of that enforcement. Then we have gone into the details about that further, like extended that enforcement of patent rights, continuing the discussion about the judicial procedures.